How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your device has stable internet connection. Then open up the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and simply tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now once you're done, simply tap on search icon. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down and tap on Account Center. Now wait for some time. Now on this menu page, simply tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. Now go to Account Ownership and Control. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now wait for some time. Now tap on Instagram. Now enter your password to continue. Simply tap on Continue. Again wait for some time. Again tap on Continue. Now enter the confirmation code and click on continue to deactivate your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.